Hello everyone, welcome to Students Paradise. Today we are going to discuss about future continuous tense. Okay? We have already discussed about the continuous tense in present tense and past tense. Now we will discuss about the continuous tense in future. Okay, so without wasting time, let us start. Students, continuous tense always shows the continuity. So, future continuous tense means it is obvious that it is going to express some continuous action. Okay, so let us discuss some examples. I will be arriving in Mumbai by this time tomorrow. Okay, see, in this case, by looking at the verb itself, arriving, so it is arrive plus ing, that gives us arriving. Okay, so this is the present participle or the ing form of the main verb arrive. By looking at this only, we know that this is continuous. But is it in present or past continuous? No. Because we don't have the helping verbs is, are, was, were. We have helping verb will. But what is it? It is associated with be. We will discuss about the formation later on. Let us concentrate on this example. So, this example shows that arriving is in continuous form. So, it is continuous tense, and tomorrow shows that it is future, but it is a continuous process. That's why we have used future continuous. This is the action that will be continuing. I will be arriving in Mumbai by this time tomorrow. Okay. By this time, that means suppose it is 10 a.m. now. By 10 a.m. tomorrow, I will be arriving in Mumbai. The arrival time of my train or my flight might be at about 11 a.m. or 11:30 a.m. So, at that time, I will arrive at Mumbai. But before that, I will be arriving in Mumbai. The process or the action will be continuing. That's why I have to use future continuous tense. Okay, let us discuss another example. Rohan will be discussing the project with the clients. See, in this case, this discussion is a continuous process. Okay, discussion is a continuous process. That's why we have used future continuous tense. Okay, this is not happening today. It will happen in future. This is an action which is going to happen in future, but discussion is a continuous process. That's why we have used future continuous tense. Will be discussing. So, discussing a project is a continuous process. Okay, you need to understand which all actions are continuous. Okay, discussion is not like that. It's an instantaneous action. It's a continuous action. So, we need to use future continuous tense. Okay, let us now discuss another example. The Prime Minister will be addressing the nation. Okay, in this case also addressing the nation. Addressing is a continuous process. So, we need to use the future continuous form of the verb address. So, the Prime Minister will be addressing the nation. Okay, hope you understand. Students, let us now discuss the formation of the future continuous tense. Okay, it goes like this: subject plus will plus be plus verb plus ing. Okay, for example, he will be going to his hometown. Here subject will be going. So we need to understand that be is to be used in between the helping verb will and the main verb in its ing form. So this is the affirmative sentence in future continuous tense. When we need to form it into a negative sentence, we just need to put not after the helping verb. That is, he will not be going to his hometown. So in this way we can form the negative sentence out of our affirmative sentence. So what we need to do in case of an interrogative sentence, we need to put the helping verb at front. Will he be going to his hometown? So in this way we can form the interrogative sentence out of the affirmative sentence. The process of formation of negative and interrogative sentence out of an affirmative sentence is same for all the tenses. You just need to keep it in mind. Okay. So in these ways we can form the sentences in case of future continuous tense. Okay. Hope you understand. Students, today we have discussed about the future continuous tense. I hope you have understood everything clearly. If not, please watch the video again and send me your doubts on the mail ID that is given on your screen. I will definitely reply you back. Okay. Whosoever is new to my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. Okay. Now, you need to go through your books and do the exercises of future continuous tense. If you find something difficult, then let me know. I will definitely help you out. Okay. So, keep practicing, keep revising whatever you have learned and just keep on learning new things. Okay. And most importantly, enjoy your life. Keep smiling.